Are you looking for the Touch Screen Oscilloscope? Whether you're an electronics hobbyist, repair technician, or professional engineer, today's scopes deliver lab-grade performance in compact, budget-friendly designs. In this roundup, we break down the top 5 digital oscilloscopes of 2025, chosen for their accuracy, features, usability, and overall value. So you can pick the perfect tool for your bench and take your measurements to the next level. In at 5, SignkoRay 1013D. If you're looking for a powerful, portable digital oscilloscope, this 100 MHz dual-channel model is a beast. You get 1 GSA/S sampling, a 7-inch full-fit capacitive touchscreen, and intelligent anti-burn protection that handles up to 400 V on a 10x probe. It measures 12 key parameters, supports cursor measurement, full triggering modes, FFT analysis, Lysage's figures, and even one-button auto and screenshot functions. With 1 GB of built-in storage, USB export, and a 6,000 mAh battery for up to 4 hours of high-brightness use. In at 4, FNIRSI 2D15P. A compact 3-in-1 powerhouse built for serious electronics work. You get a 100 MHz oscilloscope, a 10 MHz waveform generator, and a 4.5-digit true RMS multimeter all in one device. The 4.3-inch capacitive touchscreen plus physical controls make operations smooth and intuitive. With 500 MSA/S sampling, up to 1 M memory depth, adjustable persistence, color temperature display, and a 1,200 frames per second waveform capture rate, it reveals even the fastest signal anomalies. In at 3, Owon SDS 200 Digital. This series is a feature-packed oscilloscope built for engineers who demand precision and versatility. Choose from 100, 150, or 200 MHz bandwidth, all with dual-channel 1 GS/S sampling and a deep 20 M memory, giving you clean, detailed waveform capture. You also get a built-in 25 MHz signal generator, FFT spectrum analysis, and 30 automatic measurements, all displayed on a crisp 7-inch TFT LCD. With USB device connectivity, SCPI and LabVIEW support, and included PC software, remote control and data analysis are effortless. In at 2, Hantek 21112D21112C. The ultimate all-in-one portable test instrument built for engineers who need power, precision, and mobility. This compact, lightweight scope features a full multi-touch 800 by 480 display, delivering an incredibly smooth and intuitive user experience. You get up to 250 MHz bandwidth, 1 GSA/S sampling, and 8 M storage, plus a high-precision multimeter with data logging and trend charts. With its rugged hanging design, massive battery life, and Type-C fast charging, the 21000 series is a powerful portable lab you can take anywhere. In at 1, FNIRSI DPOS 350P. One of the most powerful all-in-one test instruments you can carry. It combines a 350 MHz dual-channel phosphor oscilloscope, a 50 MHz full-function signal generator, a 200K 350 MHz spectrum analyzer, and a 50 MHz frequency response analyzer, all in one compact device. With 1 GSA/S sampling, 350 MHz bandwidth, and a blazing 50,000 WFM/S refresh rate, it captures even rare signal anomalies with precision. The 7-inch IPS touchscreen, color temperature modes, and smart triggering make operations smooth and intuitive.